Hello everyone, welcome to the Arena Sports Partnership YouTube channel. I'm Mr. Robinson. Today's session is going to be based around fundamental movement, and it's for Key Stage 1, so it's for 4 to 7 year olds. The aim of the session is we're going to look to try and improve our agility. Now agility is something where you are going to be moving really fast, slowing down and changing direction. It's going to be really good fun. Now you're going to go and watch the whole session through so you know what's going to happen, so then you can go away and set up the session before you take part in it. You're going to need a little bit of equipment. There's going to be an equipment list at the bottom of the video, but also you could write it down if you needed it. The equipment you're going to need is you're going to need tennis balls or any other ball that you want to move. So it doesn't have to be a tennis ball, but I'm using tennis balls. If you haven't got any tennis balls, you could use something like cans. Okay, and you're also going to look to have hopefully some hoops. If you haven't got hoops, you don't need them. You can just have little marked areas. You can use chalk to mark on it if you're on concrete, or you can just have an area that you know that you're going to be placing the balls. Now, that being said, we are going to take part in our warm-up and get our bodies ready to take part in our activity. So to start with, I've set up 2 hoops here. You could use cones or just some tin cans, and we're going to make a figure of 8 for our warm-up, so an 8 shape. To do that, we're going to start by jogging, and we're going to jog out, going around and back through in our figure of 8. Once we've made 2 8 shapes, you're then going to start moving sideways like a crab, and you're going to go sideways, going through and round, making a really nice 8 shape, and you do that 2 times. And once you've done it twice, you're going to skip, in your figure of 8 again, and that's your warm-up. Now, the first game is going to involve us moving equipment from one hoop to another hoop as fast as we can. To do this, I put 2 tennis balls, and I ran out of tennis balls, so I got a tin of beans as well to help us move. So to start the game, we have to try and get all of these 3 items into the green hoop and come back as fast as we can. But we can only take 1 item at a time. So you have to pick up the ball, move as fast as you can, put it down, get the next one as fast as we can, and move, get the final one as fast as we can, and that'll be the first game. Once you've done it once, you've then got to try and get all of the equipment back and get them back into this hoop. So you have to run out as fast as you can. Pick up one, and put it back. And that's game number 1. Now, to extend your game, you're going to get a 3rd hoop. And you're going to place it to the side of your other hoops. Now, you're not going to place anything in that hoop, but you're going to use it to help you move around it on your run. So for the next part of the game, you have to pick up, run around the hoop, put it back, and run around the hoop again and pick up the next one. You take the next one and you keep moving them until you feel you've mastered the game. And that is game 2. Finally, we're going to move on to game 3. Game 3 is a bit larger and you need a little bit more space. The type of space you make, though, is up to you. You can use my setup, or if you want to be creative, you can make your own. But I'm going to have a starter hoop, again, with my equipment in. I've made a slalom, like a zigzag of cones, that you'll move in and out of as you're running. And then finally, a finishing hoop, right at the far side. And the way the game will work is like this. You start by picking up a ball. You run as fast as you can in and around the hoop, the cones, place the ball down and then sprint as fast as you can to the next one. You pick it up, go around it, place it down and go as fast as you can. Pick up the final one. Put it down and sprint back to finish. Now, that's the final part of the game. If you want an added challenge, you could time yourself to see how long it takes you to take all the equipment from one side to the other side. And then if you can, beat your time. Now, that's all from me. Hopefully you've had lots of fun and you've really enjoyed the session. If you like what you're doing, have a look on our YouTube channel and see if there's any more that you would like to take part in. Having said that, thanks for joining, stay safe, have fun, see you soon. Bye.